Welcome guys, good to have you here. My name's Alex, I'm an engineer here at Belzona. And we get the question all the time, why Belzona? So today, I want to take you through our facilities, show you around. So let's go check it out. Come on in. Here we are at the R&D lab, and the reason why I brought you here first is because every great coating starts with a great formulation. Let's go see what our chemists are doing, because this is where the magic happens. We have an in-house R&D department that is constantly looking at the newest technologies available to develop the best products and improve existing ones. Here, we develop and test our products in accordance with internationally recognized standards to ensure that they are fit for some of the most severe environments in the industry. Once the chemists have cooked up the right chemistry, the product's ready for production. Behind these doors is production, but I can't show you that. Even though I wasn't able to go into production, I managed to get a batch sample so I could hand it over to QA/QC for a little retainer. Thank you, Pedro. Here at the QA/QC lab, we test our products throughout the manufacturing process to ensure they meet the highest standards. We also keep retainers of all our finished products. Once the products are tested and approved for manufacture, you gotta store them somewhere. Safety first. Come on in, let's check out the warehouse. With global warehouses just like this one, Belzona products and solutions are just a phone call away. Regardless of the customer's location, we always ensure that the products are delivered on time to meet any project deadlines. Now you see how we store all of our product, let's take it a step further and show you how we support our customers when they use all this product. Welcome to the Technical Know-How Lab. We call it TKL. Spend a good amount of my time here with my fellow engineers, so let's go check out what we do. In the field, there are many unique situations that could challenge our products. At TKL, we put our finished products to the test to assist our customers even further and guide them through any obstacles they come across. Oh man, got a little training going on here. You guys got lucky today. Let's go check it out. Use of recommended Belzona application techniques is crucial to providing long-term solutions. This is why Belzona is equipped with training facilities all around the world, where distributors, consultants, customers, and even contractors are trained in Belzona's best practices. At Belzona, we invest in employees' continuing education and industry-related training to ensure we abide by Belzona quality policy and ISO 9001 regulations. Most asset owners have pipes, pipelines, and pipework, which could suffer from corrosion, erosion, and emergency leaks. In this room, we simulate these sorts of scenarios and put Belzona products to the test. Our goal is to ensure Belzona can provide feasible solutions to keep pipes running. Welcome to the TKL office. This is where we answer the calls, emails, and provide technical support. Definitely gotta have a comfortable chair and a nice cup of coffee. This is the office where we interact with our distributors, consultants, engineers, and end users. From simple application questions to product selection and even full specification writing, we do it all from here. We also look into ways to innovate our best practices in synchrony with the latest technological advances. Belzona products and solutions come with 24/7 technical support around the globe. As you just saw, we took you to R&D, we took you to technical support, storage, we got you covered from A to Z. So why Belzona? Because we do it all!